All right, so now for this one, it says consider the function f, and then it says the graph of the function g of x is equal to f minus x. So now when we change f of x to a negative x, we actually reflect about the y-axis. So this little minus x means that we reflect about the y-axis. So basically what you would do is if it's going to cross through here, and then you got a point over here at 2 comma 2, so you just go 2 units this way. Over here, it looks like it goes almost 3 units, so you go almost 3 units here. Way up here, it looks like you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then it looks like it touches at about 5. So it should look like this. So your y values will occur at the opposite value of x. Now, if you want to know exactly what that looks like, it'll look like this. I'll show you. If you want to see it all by itself. This is a better version of it. See how good I did there? Drawing it freehand.